Tired of staring at a bright screen all day? Let's transform your Basecamp experience with dark mode. Since Basecamp doesn't have a built-in dark mode, we'll use a browser extension first. Open your Chrome browser and look for the extensions icon. It usually looks like a puzzle piece in the top right corner. Click on it and select Manage Extensions. This will take you to the Chrome Web Store. Search for Dark Reader. It's a popular and effective option for applying dark themes to websites. Once you find it, click Add to Chrome. A confirmation prompt will pop up. Simply click Add Extension to install Dark Reader. Once installed, you'll see the Dark Reader icon in your browser toolbar. Click on it. The settings panel will appear, allowing you to customize the dark theme to your liking. You can adjust brightness, contrast, and even add a sepia filter. Now, navigate back to your Basecamp account. Voila! You should now see Basecamp in a sleek, eye-friendly dark mode. You can toggle Dark Reader on or off directly from the extensions pop-up, making it easy to switch back to the light theme whenever you need to enjoy a more comfortable and visually appealing Basecamp experience.